Yo, what is up, Hemifam family? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exhaust perfection with my Charger Scat Pack. But before we do that, let's go ahead and do a cold start for all you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exhaust perfection that I have achieved on my 2015 Scat Pack Charger, and pretty much everything that I have underneath the car to achieve that exhaust perfection and that beautiful noise that I'm going to play and show all you guys. Now, even when we went to Springfest this past year.
Hey, we're here with Dan from Corsa Engineering and Management, and man, we want to say that his Corsa, those exhausts sound badass, 100%. We'll have some videos out later so you can see how they sound and comparisons with headers, not headers, catless, with cats, however you want it. So we want to say thank you to Corsa for hooking us up.
Thank you, man.
We're about to hit this fucking Corsa because it sounds so damn good. I don't know what this boy got, but I was driving with him and I was like, damn, I got Corsa. What's up?
What's up, guys? With Jose, Tycoon, all those guys, Scat Packs, Hellcats, and a lot of those guys were running the Corsa Extreme, which is what I just put on there, a full cat pack system. And even them themselves were like, yo, what? Your car sounds ridiculous. It's loud, it's deep, it's nasty. Why does your car sound different than mine? So that is basically what I'm going to show you and explain to you today. I do have the off-road mid-pipes from Modern Muscle Extreme. That is the start of the system. So I still have stock headers, okay? We're still running the stock headers. A lot of people think I have headers, which I don't. Still on the stock headers, we start with the Modern Muscle Extreme off-road mid-pipes. That then connects into the Corsa Extreme full catback system, and where the active exhaust valves are, we have the MFR1 active exhaust plates, which keep the active exhaust fully open 24/7. So I mean, it is just ridiculously loud, guys. It sounds good, the car runs good, all with no tune, and it's a really great setup if you want just loud, ridiculous, crazy. Now, one of the good things about it is, and my buddy Mike from Workplay Drive noticed that when on our Springfest trip, is that it's really loud on the outside, but on the inside it's not so bad. Now, we've been cruising around, I haven't really been on it, and you may have heard the exhaust, you may have not. I mean, that's the beauty of it. On the inside, it's not too crazy. If you have, you know, kids, children, babies, it's not ridiculously loud. You will hear it, but not as bad as some, you know, you would imagine. So really great stuff. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get off into today's video. I have my wife here helping me out. She is going to be holding the camera so we can get some, you know, nice audio clips for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy it and listen to this beautiful sound that the 392 Hemi produces through this Corsa catback exhaust system, guys. Okay, so this is outside of the car chilling, warm, idling, and sounds pretty good. Really, really good, guys. In fact, let's go here. So like I said, guys, that is at idle and it sounds really, really good. At startup, it also sounds really, really good. So let's go ahead and set the camera down. We'll do some revs, womp on it a little bit. Keep in mind that it does have the rev limiter, so it'll only go up to 4K, but that is all we need to produce some lovely, lovely sounds here, guys. Sounds pretty good, right? So that was the Corsa Extreme with the off-road mid-pipes, MFR1 plates, a little bit of gas going through it, some exhaust going through the mufflers. Remember, this is the Corsa Extreme catback system. So from here, guys, I will turn the car off. We will start it so you can hear what it sounds like on startup, and then I'll do a little pulls down the road here. Hopefully we don't get in trouble. Well, we won't mention that, but with all the exhaust laws and craziness, the car's kind of loud. So let's see if we can get away with it, guys. We'll do a few little pulls here, give you guys a nice little audible on the outside, so you guys can hear what it sounds like. And then from there, we will just kind of cruise around on the inside, windows up, windows down, and that way you guys can get a full taste of Hemifam's exhaust perfection. Alright guys, we gotta get out of here. I was getting some KA band on the old radar detector. So two things, every car must have a radar detector and dash cam, but that'll be another video. So sounds awesome. Couple pulls there, one in manual, the other one in auto mode. So right now we are just cruising around, all four windows down, and that's the car, guys. This is auto mode. And I know one thing that's on everybody's mind: when you downshift, when you're messing around, it still gurgles, it still pops, and sometimes when you're driving around, it just pops randomly. Sounds awesome, guys. Super pleased with the Corsa Extreme catback system, and I really think all you guys would be too. They have it for the Hellcat, Scat Pack, the 5.7s, pretty much all the above, and it'll make your car sound really good, run really good. And if you live in a state where they require mufflers, you will have mufflers and be approved in a sense. You know, it may not pass the sound restrictions, but again, that'll be another video, guys. I'm curious to see what this rings in myself, so be sure you subscribe on YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook, like the page, IGTV, give us a follow. But I could not be happier. So now we're just cruising around with the windows up, and I know you guys are probably wondering about the drone too, because Corsa does have the drone canceling technology, and if you have a 5.7 6.4, they do go into eco mode, which is 4-cylinder. So basically it shuts down 4 cylinders, and if you've ever had a Hemi, they sound really, really weird when that happens while it's doing it. And if you have straight pipes or an exhaust, sometimes it's really drony and nasty. But the Corsa Extreme with the drone canceling technology has done a really, really great job of canceling all drone, but still letting your car speak freely, flow freely, and speak its full potential. It's really, really great stuff, and the fitment was great. I do have a video on the installation you guys can check out. I will put a banner up here, but the install was butter. It was cake. It goes in really, really simple. Everything lines up and looks great, and I'm super, super pleased with it, guys. So the Corsa and the drone canceling technology is totally legit, and it is not a lie, guys. It 100% works, and I'm here to tell you that it's true. And there it is, guys. That is the KA. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it went away. My escort detector has arrows, so it shows me what direction they are, how close they are due to the signal strength and all that. So really good stuff, and just like this exhaust, guys. So I really hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Be sure you do check the video description for all of the items that I spoke about, so you can build your own exhaust perfection kit for your Scat Pack, RT, 5.7, Hellcat, whatever, guys. So again, check the video description. Links, I have affiliate links, Blenders Eyewear being one of them, Lux Auto Concepts, really cool stuff. You can get some awesome products and save some money while doing so. So everybody, be sure you subscribe so you don't miss all the future videos we have for you. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.